welcome back to Pagkaing Pinoy TV. We're here again and I'm so excited to show you how to make this incredibly moist carrot cake. So let's begin. I used about 5 to 6 medium carrots, or 3 cups to be exact. Believe me, you will need lots of them. So peel and grate them manually or use a food processor for your convenience. In a large bowl, we're going to whisk 4 eggs. Eggs are very essential for this recipe. It creates light texture and structure to the carrot cake. Pour 1 1/4 cup vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is the key to make a carrot cake soft and moist. You may substitute this to canola oil, sunflower oil, or any neutral tasting oil which will allow the flavor to shine through. Next, add 1 cup granulated sugar and 1 cup brown sugar. Sugar keeps the cake moist too. I combined brown and white sugar. However, you can use just one of them if that's what you have. You may also reduce the sugar according to your taste preference. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which will also add flavor to the carrot cake. In a separate bowl, we're going to whisk together the flour, baking soda, salt, and ground cinnamon. Next, we will gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. So I'm doing it in 3 parts. Using a spatula or a scraper, stir until the batter is well combined and smooth. I used all-purpose flour or plain flour, but you can substitute some of it with wheat or gluten-free flour. Next, I'm going to add the grated carrots. At this time, my oven is preheated to 170 degrees Celsius or 338 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix it until it's well blended. Divide the batter between 2 prepared pans. So I'm using 2 9-inch round pan. I grease it and line it with parchment paper. now ready to bake, so I'll bake this for 30 to 45 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean when inserted. While we're waiting for it to bake, we're going to make the cream cheese frosting. I've put the cream cheese in a bowl and I'm going to beat this at medium speed using a handheld mixer. Once it is soft and fluffy, I'm going to pour the heavy whipping cream and beat this for another minute. Next, I'm going to gradually add the sifted powdered sugar. I'll continue mixing it until fluffy. Once it's done, I'm going to cover it with plastic wrap and chill it in the refrigerator until ready to frost the cake. When the cake is cooked, remove it from the oven and allow it to cool for 15 minutes before transferring into a cooling rack. Remove the cake from the pan, then peel off the parchment paper and cool it completely. When the cakes are completely cool, we can start frosting and decorating. So I'm going to frost the top of one layer. I'm going to spread the cream cheese frosting. Then I will put the second layer on top. Put more frosting on top and sides of the cake. If the cake is frosted and you want to store it, it needs to be inside the fridge where it can last for up to 5 days. Lastly, I'm going to scatter the chopped walnuts on top. If you want to store the cake unfrosted, just place it in an airtight container and store it in a cool, dry place for up to 1 week. Generally, it is okay for the cake to be out on a countertop for a few days. If you need to keep the cake longer than that, then wrap it in a plastic wrap and freeze it. This carrot cake recipe is all you need. It's incredibly soft and amazingly delicious. I actually made this for my husband's birthday and it was a hit. Everyone loved the cake and I received lovely compliments thanks to this super easy recipe.
So you see guys, this incredibly moist carrot cake is super easy. This is the only recipe that you'll ever need. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Visit our website at www.pagkainpinoytv.com to get the full recipe. And I've also put some tips on how to make this carrot cake. Follow us in Instagram and Facebook page at Pagkain Pinoy TV 1. And don't forget to click on subscribe, tap the bell icon so you will be notified when we release new video. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!